Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. .json, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format widely used for data exchange between a server and a web application or between different parts of an application. Python provides a built-in module called JSON for encoding and decoding JSON data. In this tutorial, we will learn how to decode a JSON file in Python and extract specific keys using the JSON module. Make sure to have this line at the beginning of your Python script to use the JSON module. Assuming you have a JSON file named data.json, you can use the json.load function to read the contents of the file and decode it into a Python object, usually a dictionary or a list. Replace data.json with the actual file name if it's different. Now that the JSON data is loaded into a Python object, you can easily access specific keys. Let's say you have a JSON file with the following content. You can extract the value of the name key as follows. If you want to extract multiple keys, you can use a loop or directly access each key. This loop will print the values of the specified keys. Here's the full Python script that combines all the steps. Remember to customize the script based on your specific JSON file structure and the keys you want to extract. This tutorial provides a basic guide, and you can adapt it to your specific use case. ChatGPT.